Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. In that one I'm gonna pack my suitcase. I know this is crazy, but that's a different reason because I'm not going back yet. But I will meet my dad, like my real dad, at the airport, and I'm giving one of my suitcases to him so he can take one back and we don't have to pay extra for it when I will take it home. So he's gonna take it home and I'm gonna pack that right now, so it's more like my heavier and winter stuff. So I'm gonna leave stuff here for 2 or 3 more weeks because I'm staying with 3 more weeks. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys what I pack and how I pack it. Alright, so I kind of filled the suitcase now. It should be like 30 or 40, like I'm guessing 40 pounds. So I still have like 9 to go, just to make sure. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what I put in there. So I put my leather jacket in there because it's really heavy and it's a lot of space. Then my other hoodies I really want to take home. I have my clothes I don't want to take at all right there. I have my school cup because I don't really need it here. Then my other favorite t-shirts and hoodies and stuff, basically like shirts and like all my dresses, like my prom dress, my 2 homecoming dresses, what I brought from Germany, and my web design thing because I don't need it anymore. Then the other side has all the school stuff in there. Like I don't sort anything, but winter stuff, like what I really don't need anymore. Like 2 skirts because I have 3, so I'm keeping 1 more. Then my onesie, which is a lot of space too, and then my hoodies from like cross country and stuff like that. So it should be fine. And I don't know what else to put in. I'll just see weigh it again, so to make sure that it's under 50 pounds. So yeah. So now it's the 30th, and now we're packing my actual suitcase.
Yeah, and we just like cleaned out all of her stuff.
Yep.
And now we're putting it into the bag.
That's leaving, maybe, and taking. And then I have all my decoration stuff there, and like there. I already started to put my backpack in there, and then there's stuff on my desk too. So yeah. Alright, so what we did is just stuff I'm gonna wear tomorrow and on the flight. Oh my gosh, this is just this is crazy. So that's what I definitely want to take. Then that's maybe stuff, and then that's nope. I'm gonna leave that here or just throw it away. And let's go to my
decoration.
Yeah. We just found that. Like, why did I keep that? That's all pictures from the wall.
So many.
It's not even
it's like
all of my pictures. It's like 1/3 of all my pictures. Oh my god. Our plan is to do clothes and then getting some decoration in there.
Yeah, we're working it in so it doesn't get damaged.
Since we're done with everything, we're just packing my cosmetics in and then my maybe stuff. So just make sure to like organize the stuff you want to take or not take home. And yeah, I would take like favorite things you bought here.
Yeah, like not just like random stuff you will never wear again.
Or not stuff you can buy again.
Yeah, like
everywhere.
Shampoo or stuff you don't need at all.
Nope. Oh, then do that. First weight test. The scale is in the bathroom.
Oh, shit, das geht.
So the weight of it is 47 point something.
Yeah, 47.2
out of 50, so that's kind of nice. I just hope they don't charge me for that big old suitcase, because that one is just like really big. She just found my other pair for my favorite socks, and I just screamed. I was like, ah!
It was suddenly like on the bed, but hey.
Alright, so what is in here is like my documents and my yearbook, because it's really heavy, and then my Polaroid, and I don't even know what to put in here. Like, honestly, I don't have anything else.
Your computer.
Yeah, my computer, right. And then my diaries are gonna come here. Yes.
Where's that gonna go? In there or in there?
In there, but it's not completed.
Yeah,
like, 2 of my family members have to still write in there.
Oh.
So my diaries, I still need to write in there.
Oh.
Leave it there, please.
Oh, those 2 too.
Yes, I leave it there.
Just can't forget them.
I will not.
That thing. My pen, because she didn't have one.
Oh my gosh, that's in school. My battery's almost dead. Yeah, so that's our update. That's what I'm leaving. That's my clothes, and that's my random box. Yeah. You're my hero. I love you.
I love you too.